When I first got Binge 3 months ago, it was launched as a pilot service and many Tata Sky representatives didn't know about Binge themselves. At that moment, only a handful of people were eligible for Binge, and even the Tata Sky website or their customer care didn't have any information. But now, Binge has launched officially. So today, I'll tell you on how to buy Binge and some hidden information about it. So, let's get started. We got an amazing response on our earlier Binge content, which includes the review and the FAQ, which you can check out on the top right corner of the screen. First of all, a little overview. Tata Sky Binge is a service that will allow its subscribers to stream digital content from various apps through a single platform and single subscription fee. Binge will be accessible through Amazon Fire TV Stick, and you'll also be able to enjoy the video on demand capabilities of Tata Sky. At the time this video was made, there are two methods to subscribe for Binge. Calling the Tata Sky helpline. You can call this number, which is available on Tata Sky channel 100, or you can simply call the regular Tata Sky helpline and ask them about Binge and promptly to subscribe to Binge. In my experience, it will take them less than 48 hours to come and install at your home, and you are ready to go. Second method is going to Tata Sky website, and after you log in to My Tata Sky, you might be able to see a screen like this. I will not recommend this method because in my testing this screen is available only to some users. So I recommend calling the Binge helpline number directly. But wait, there is one more thing you need to know about the Binge. Tata Sky may not tell you this, but if you damage or lose the Fire TV stick given to you by Tata Sky, then you are liable to pay a fine of Rs 4,000. Second, you also need an active Tata Sky subscription or account in order to avail Binge. If you don't have balance in your account for consecutive 2 weeks, Tata Sky will recover the device, and if they fail to recover it, then you are again liable to pay a fine of Rs 4,000. Third, in the long run, it isn't as suitable as it might seem. The free services as of now given with Binge are Hotstar Premium, Eros Now, Hungama Play, and Sun Next. In my experience, the only service that is worthwhile is Hotstar Premium. Now, if you are thinking to have Binge for a long time and you don't use the video on demand service by the Binge app, I would rather suggest you to buy the Fire TV stick and Hotstar Premium subscription separately. The usual price of a Fire TV stick is 4,000 rupees for the 1080p version, but it comes down to about 3,000 to 3,500 rupees in Amazon sales, and Hotstar Premium subscription costs around 1,000 rupees. So, in the long run, it will be better to buy the Fire TV stick as you will recover the cost in about 18 months. And I don't know if I am unlucky, but I got the second generation Fire TV stick which does not have the volume, power and mute buttons on the remote. And it's a huge pain to keep two remotes aside to adjust the TV volume because there's no way to adjust the volume on Fire TV Stick second generation. And the third generation has been launched a few months ago, which has these buttons on the remote. Let me know in the comments which generation Fire TV you got. That's it for now. Ask your questions in the comments and subscribe for more content like this. Like the video and share it to your friends who might be interested in Binge. See you around next time.